Want some crab boil? Well, today I'm going to show you guys how to make it in less than 20 minutes. We are making this amazing Cajun seafood sauce with Dungeness crab. It's so yummy, so delicious. Before I begin, give this video a like for me if you enjoy it, and let's dive in. To get started, we're going to start by boiling the crab. I have 4 Dungeness crab here. My water's already nice and hot. I am going to place the crab in there, just like this. Just make sure they are submerged under the water, just like this. Now I am going to add about 2 lemon slices in there, just to remove that fishy smell. Also, I have some Old Bay seasoning that I'm going to add to the water. Then we're going to allow that to just boil for about 5 to 10 minutes until the crab is nice and hot. Time to remove the crab. It's been about 10 minutes. So we're just going to remove it from the water. Just like this. So we can kind of remove the water so we can pour the sauce on it. It smells so good. It's the Old Bay seasoning. But yeah, there it is. Time to make the seafood sauce. This sauce goes well with basically any type of seafood. So I'm going to add 1 stick of unsalted butter. We're going to melt that really quickly. And we're using unsalted butter because we are using a lot of seasoning. They already have salt, so you don't need to add any more extra salt. Make this spicy. So once you have this butter nice and melted, you are going in with some minced garlic. Pour that in. Fry your garlic just like this until it starts to fragrant. Now we are going to add in our seasoning. Now, these are the seasoning. I'm using paprika, lemon pepper, dry parsley, Old Bay seasoning, chili powder, onion, and garlic powder. We're going to pour that in. This is about a teaspoon each. Put that in, give it a mix. Ooh. Just like this. The aroma is delicious. Now I'm going to add in some hot sauce. We want a nice kick to this. Pour in your hot sauce. Lower your temperature. And we are going to add in a little bit of lemon juice. Half a lemon juice. Squeeze that in. I love lemon in my seafood. Now we're not going to make this all butter. We're going to dilute that butter with a little bit of chicken broth. A little bit healthier, not just butter. If you want, you can add another stick of butter, but this is the way I like to do it. In my opinion, it's a little bit healthier. Like I said, less butter. And basically, you're going to allow this to simmer for a little bit. And the sauce is pretty much done. The sauce is nice and ready. It's looking so delicious. I'm going to turn down my heat, and there you go. So delicious looking. Basically, the sauce is done. All right, now we're going to pour the sauce right on top of this amazing Dungeness crab. Okay, that delicious sauce. Now this is the same sauce that I use for my egg boil. This sauce, like I said, it goes on pretty much anything seafood. It's so tasty. You can never go wrong with this sauce. And basically this is it. There you go. I'm going to add some parsley to garnish. And that is it. That's it. Enjoy. All right, guys, it's time for the taste test. Oh my goodness, it smells so good. Let me give it a try. The sauce is to die for, okay? I made this sauce before, but you know, you always looking forward to tasting it and trying it. Ooh, having a little trouble with this one. Okay, let's try this one. Looks so good. Who doesn't like seafood? I love seafood, okay? Ah, look at that. Perfect. Set that aside. Dip it in the sauce. That seafood sauce. Let's give it a try. The crab is so sweet. This is so good. This is so good. Got me smacking. This is heaven, okay? It's so good. When I tell you this sauce is 10 out of 10, like every single time, so good, so yummy, so delicious. It has a little kick from the hot sauce, the Old Bay. It's so good, must try. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up for me if you enjoy it, if you're going to try to make it. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next recipe. Bye, guys.